Welcome. In this video, we will going to discuss about minimization of the DFA using table filling method. By using the table filling method, here is the following steps involving into it. Draw the table for all pairs of the states P comma Q. Mark all the pairs where P belongs to F means the final state and Q does not. I'm sorry, yes. A Q does not belongs to the final state. This Q does not belong to the final state. If there any unmarked pairs P comma Q such that transition of the P comma Q comma transition of the Q comma Q is marked, then mark the P comma Q where X is and the input symbol. Repeat this until no more markings can be made. Just first of all listen friends. First of all listen the following steps. Then we'll move to the example. Then we'll be clearly about this method. Okay. Combine all unmarked pairs and mark them as single state minimization. That goes to an example to make that clear. Here is another basic simple example. Let us consider the DFA. Okay, starting step. Then they have the D, C, E, and three final step. So first step, we have to draw the table for all pairs of the sets P comma Q. Here P comma Q means P rows and P columns. I mean, okay, let me draw. Just observe. P means A, B, C, D, E, and F. So we have the A, B, C, D, E, F. So six states. So six states in row wise also A, B, C, D, E, F. So we have to draw the table. Okay, we have to draw the table, but make sure that do not draw the table with the equal pair. I mean A comma A, B comma B, C comma C, D comma D. Like the form, we don't write the table form. We have to write with the different form. Okay, I mean B comma A. Okay, comma B. Just observe it. Then I will make the clear about it. Okay, don't worry. It will be so easy. Here is the table. Okay, A, A, A. I'm not writing and not making the table column here. We don't make the column of the equal pair, and I mean to say equal row pair and the column row pair and the column pair, not write the equal pair. And about you have to write the below one like a b a c b a, or we can be called like as a c a c b, like that. Okay, make sure the write the table like that. So it is a step 2. Okay guys, and observe it. Okay, draw the table for all the pairs p comma q. So we done the step 1. We done the step 1. Okay, next step 2. Okay, mark all the pairs where p belongs to f means final state. Okay, and q not belongs to the final state. Okay, let observe b comma a. Here b a both are the non-final state. Our condition is any one of the pair is a final state, not belongs to final state. Like that term, like that the pair p comma q, we have to mark it. Okay, here both a and b are the not final state, so we don't mark here. So here a and c, let observe this row a c a c. Here A is the non-final state and C is the final state, so hence we can mark it. So mark pair P belongs to final state and Q does not belongs to final state. So A is the non-final state, C is the final state, so we have to mark it. Just tick mark enough. So CB also, C is the final state, B is the non-final state, so we have to mark it like that. We have to observe the diagram and ensure that each mark of the pair. So A is a non-final state, D is a final state. So any pair must have the one final state and one non-final state. Such type of the pairs we have to mark. That's the main condition, friends. Okay, like that. AD we have to mark it, and also AB have mark it. Okay, and AE means A is a non-final state and A is a final state. So hence we can happily mark it AB and AB also. Okay, then AF we can't mark it, okay, because the A is a non-final state and B is also non-final state, so condition is invalid. Okay, then go to the BA is not valid, so we can make that the pairs which have contained the one final state and one non-final state. Now step 2 also completed. Now step 2 has, it's a basic thing. Okay, here onwards the original process it starts. Now observe it, it is the main condition, friends. It is a main condition. Transition of the P comma Q comma transition of the Q comma X. Wait, I wrote a mistake here. Not Q, here is an X. Hex, where a X is an input symbol. Input symbol means nothing but 0 comma 1. Okay, here is the X, friends. Here is the X, not Q. Okay, I wrote a mistake. Okay, here is the transition of the P comma X comma transition of the Q comma X. It is such type of the pair. Okay, we have to observe it. Okay, let's see an example here. Okay, don't worry, I will explain very clearly. Okay, each and every non-markable state, okay, we have to make unmarkable state become a Q. Unmarked, we have to apply this condition only on unmarked pairs. Okay, unmarked pairs like AB, okay, DC, ECED, FAFB, only such type of unmarked pairs only we have to apply that condition. Okay, this condition, so you have to observe it like first of A comma B in row, right? A comma B pair. Okay, now transition of the A comma 0, where 0 is an input symbol, A is an the first transition state. Okay, A comma 0. Okay, let observe A on 0 goes to B. Okay, friends, then make sure write like I send the B. Now same transition of the B comma 0, same input symbol, but this time we have to use the second part of the pair. Now B comma 0 goes to the A. Okay, then write A here. Now observe this BA. Observe the BA in the table column. If the BA is marked, then observe, okay, such that this condition is valid, is marked, then mark P comma Q. Okay, if it is unmarked, it is unmarked, then skip it. Okay, then we have to skip. Okay, now we have to try for the next input symbol A comma 1, because here is an input symbols or 0 comma 1. Okay, only 0 comma 1, so we have to done with the two input symbols. So a comma 1, a comma 1, a on taking input sim 1 goes to the C. So we have to write C. Then transition of b comma 1, the next state of this pair, next state of this pair of the input 1 goes to, we have to observe it, next state of the symbol b and goes to D. So we have to write D here. So now like observe the CD. Okay friends, CD, no, there is no such unmarked, it is unmarked, so just skip it. Okay, AB has been completed. Now observe the unmarked pairs, this marked. Now CD, now CD, write the CD, CD here. Okay, same as it is above process, but changing the states. Here a, you have to write this first state of the pair, C comma 0. Okay, C comma 0, C of taking input 0 goes to the E, so we have to mention E. Now transition of the D comma 0 and change the state, next state of the pair, D comma 0. Don't get confused guys, it is D, capital D, it is in 0. Don't think both are 0. Okay, it is a capital D. Okay, capital D comma 0. Okay, D comma 0 means D state taking the input goes to the E only. Okay, E. We are clear that the both are equal. Okay, both are equal, there is no such type of the block here, we already discussed in the earlier. No, whenever the no equal pairs and set of equal pairs has executed, then we don't make a block here. Oh, a there is no block here, bb there is no block here, it is a condition friends. Okay, when we observe the both or the equal, then we definitely not check the diagram also. Okay, not check the tables also, we definitely skip this. Okay, definitely skip this part. Okay, then come to the C comma 1, then next input C comma 1, it C on taking the input 1 goes to the F. Okay, T on taking the input goes to the F. Now transition of the D, D comma 1 moves to the, let's observe it, D comma 1 goes to same also F. So FF, there is no such type of the block in that diagram, so CD also skip it. Okay, as the another pair. Okay, CD also completed and another EC. Okay, EC and ED both are there. Okay, EC, E and C, EC. No, then transition of E comma 0, E comma 0 equal to V on taking input 0, it will be in the E only. Then transition of C comma 0 is equal to C on taking input 0, then it will also go to the E only. Then skip it. Okay, then transition of E comma 1 only 1, not 0 guys. I'm writing in flow, but 1 only. E comma 1, E on taking the input 1, it goes to the F. Now transition of C comma 1, C comma 1, it will goes to same F only. Then skip this pair. Okay, then observe it, this part completed, DC completed, EC completed. Now ED, we have to do this the pair which are unmarked only, not marked parts. Okay, unmarked only. Make sure each and every condition is very important. We have to be strong with that procedure. If anything small mistake happens, then the entire procedure will be wrong. Okay, be alert, guys. Okay, e on 0, take e on 0 is taking e only. Okay, I write then above, I write in above by seeing this only because I am already done here. Okay, transition of d comma 0, d comma 0 also already done, d comma 0 already that is here only. Then there is no such type of the pair or such type of block in the diagram, so we have to skip it. Then e comma 1, e comma 1 I already written, it's f, and transition of d comma 1. Okay, already written, it's f. Okay, we have to skip this part of also only, sorry. Then fa, this up to this we have completed. Then fa. Okay, f comma a, fa, and transition of f comma 0 equal to f comma 0, f will take the input 0, it will be in the same state. So f transition of f comma 1, sorry, a comma 0, a comma 0, sorry, I write in once again, transition of a comma 0, a of 0 which I already written is b only, no, is b. Now check, f of b is unmarked, so skip this. Okay, transition of, then f of 1, f of 1 equal to f of taking input 1, it will be in the same state only, so f transition of a comma 1, a comma 1 already I written here, a comma 1 is c. Okay, f of c, no, f of c, oh happily f of c is a marked, so let's observe this condition such that the transition of p comma x comma transition of q comma y is marked. You have to know this point, is marked, then mark p comma q. So clearly f comma c is marked, so we have to mark it. Just remember, we have to mark it. Okay, fca you have to mark it at here. Then remaining fp, no, fp fb fp on taking transition f comma 0 is equal to, I already mentioned. Okay, f here already writing here only, no. Next, transition of b comma 0, b comma 0 already written, f a clearly mentioned that fa is marked, so fb also we have to mark fb, so fb marked. Okay, then it is the first iteration, friends. Okay, it is a first iteration. Then we have to consider the next iteration also until we don't mark any pair. Okay, just observe this, repeat this until no marking can be made. Okay, no marking can be made. Okay, all are marked. Okay, next, move on to the next procedure. Let's take an empty slide. Now unmarked pairs, we have to observe the unmarked pairs. No, is a new diagram, is a modified diagram. In the previous diagram, we don't have this FA and FP. We marked it by using this procedure. We have to mention it is a marked by valid this condition. So we have to mark it. It is a newly existing diagram. So now we have to find the unmarked pairs of the new diagram. Now AB, now AB. Now A comma B. Now A comma B equal to transition of A comma 0. A comma 0. Okay, let's observe it. A comma 0, it goes to the B only. Transition of B comma 0, it will goes to A only. Sorry for interruption. A only. Here A, B are unmarked, so we have to skip this part. Now search for another input A comma 1. A on taking input 1, it will be goes to the C state. Now transition of B comma 1, it will be goes to B comma 1 takes goes to D. Okay, CD, CD which is unmarked, so skip this part. Okay, then moves to the another part like okay, and DC or CD. Okay, I mentioned like DC. Transition of D comma 0 equal to transition of the D comma 0 to D taking the input 0 and goes to the E only. Now taking the E only. Transition of the C comma 0. Transition of the C comma 0, C of the state taking the input 0 now taking goes to the E. No, hence both are equal. There is no such type of the block in our diagram, so we don't see that. We have to observe when this both are equal, then we skip that part only by without observing the previous diagram. D comma 1, okay, D on taking input 1 goes to F. Transition of C comma 1. Don't feel bored, guys. It will be lengthy process but very easy when you remember this four four steps, no, 4 steps, and be alert. Don't make any changes here. Okay, have to be sharp. C comma input point, C on taking input and goes to F only, no, then both are symbol, then skip this part. Okay, then E C part is there, no, and E comma C comma C, there no transition of E comma 0. Transition of the E comma 0 is equal to E of taking inputs and same remaining state only. E of input C comma 0, I already mentioned here C comma 0 is in E only, so we have to skip that. And E comma 1, E on taking input 1 goes to F. Transition of C comma 1, I have mentioned already in the above. C comma 1, it goes to the F, so we have to skip this part also. Now C EC completed. Now EC ED is there, no, ED. Now ED is there, no? Transition of E comma 0, already mentioned in the above, is E only. Transition of D comma 0, ed comma 0, that is equal to e only. Okay, both are equal, then I skip this part. Okay, and then e comma is a clear, friends. Okay, e comma 1 I written in above previous problem. Okay, then f e comma d comma 1 I written here, so f, so I skip. So there is no marked states. Just remember, repeat this until no marking can be made. Here no marking will become, so we have to stop here onwards only. It is our final diagram. It is our final diagram. Okay, now let's observe that. Now combine all unmarked pairs and mark them a single state in the min-max DFA. Now combine all unmarked pairs, AB unmarkable pair. So we have to, procedure ends here. Unmarkable pairs, friends. AB is unmarked. Then DE, sorry, DC, D and C. DC is unmarked, and EC and ED. EC and ED. These are unmarkable pairs. Now we have to draw an equivalent DFA, minimize DFA diagram. No, okay. By these three pairs, we can clearly observe that there is a common path is there. By combining all this, we can write the C, D, and E. All common terms. Okay, common terms. We can make the simplifying this part only. Like another part, then make the transition diagram of AB. Okay, input of taking 0, it will be reaches to 1, C, D, and E. Taking 0, it will be 1, so 5, taking 0 comma 1. Okay, I write the diagram based on this starting diagram. Okay, starting table AB of taking input 0. No, A on taking input 0 goes to B only, B on taking input symbol goes to A only. Here the both A and B are only the path. A on B taking goes to B, B on taking 0 goes to A. So AB on taking 0 goes to AB only. Now AB on 1 goes to C, D, E. I written there. No, A or B or taking input 1 or going to C, D only. C, D only. So I written the C, D only. C, D, E both, sorry, 3 on taking input 0, it will be goes to same only. No, I observe it. C on taking a 0 goes to E. C on taking the input goes to E only. No, E is in the same state. Okay, all are combined, so it will be marked to the same state only. D on taking 0, it will goes to the E only. Now E on taking the 0, it will goes to the 0 only. Now, okay, E on taking 0, it will goes to E only. E on taking 0, it will goes to E only. Hence we have to analyze the previous starting diagram to the new pair of the diagram. Okay, we have to think and write the possibilities of the input from 0 1 by making this part. Okay, CDE on taking the input 1 goes to F only, sorry, TB on taking input C, D and E. Okay, have to, sorry, I will give the pointer, laser pointer. Okay, C, D, E all taking the input ones or commonly go to F only, no, F, and it will F taking the input 0 comma, it take only in the F only. So we have to mention that part here. So it is the final minimization of the DFA using the tabular column. Okay friends, and have any doubts, please comment here, comment the below. I will mention, I will possible, I will definitely solve your doubts. Okay, it will very easy until we remember these steps. It is the mainly part, it is the third step, it is the very crucial. We have to be quick and we have to be smart. We have to observe the each and every step and mark it with the clarity and with it neatly. Okay, it is a very easy and very comfortable. Okay friends, okay, and see you in the next lecture. Thank you.